What is going on, guys? Into another day today at the shop. Today's Saturday, so this will be uploaded on Sunday. But today we're gonna go through a couple different bumper setups, some side steps, and a couple different wheel and tires I think coming in today too. We also coming in. We got my buddy's Corvette coming in. He's got to do a rebalance on his Corvette wheels, but we'll check that out too when it comes in. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you guys hit that like icon, hit the bell icon so you guys can stay updated whenever we post videos. Try to drop more and more every week. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get right into it. So we just finished up Kelly's vehicle here. He's just running his existing Coopers that he got on here. This is his winter vehicle. And then we just went with some more aggressive Pro Comps on there. With some Steelies. It's pretty good. Thought it's a pop a little bit cheaper. Like, what is going on, guys? I am driving and making a video, which I shouldn't be doing anyways, but we are on our way. Keep digging, to go drop off this Jeep Patriot. Gonna get a lift kit, 2-inch lift kit, fuel salts, and I believe it's General Grabbers or BFG KO2s. I'll double check the specs if this fucking thing will ever stop fucking going off. Okay, so we got the rough country kit right here. I'll open it up for you guys. Give you guys a quick before and after. Alright guys, so you can see stock ride height. Looks pretty cool. Pretty basic kit.
We're putting like KO2s and like fuel salts on this thing too.
Pretty sweet. Nice. Alright guys, we got some fuel sledges, 295s, 6520 Toyo AT2 Extremes. Looking set up. 2.5 inch leveling kit. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Today's kind of an exciting one. We got a whole bunch of wheel and tires coming in like usual, but we're actually going to be taking a vehicle over to Lakeview. It's going to be one of my customers, Adrian. His F-150 is going to be going over. We just threw a K&N intake in it yesterday. It's got some Firestone airbags in it, and now we're going to send it over to the boys, and they are going to tune it and throw it up on the dyno. We're also going to take over one of our guys' Ram 1500. You guys seen him in the videos before, Jonah. He's going to take over his Ram, and we're going to get that thing thrown on the dyno and get a baseline as well. Today's going to be a pretty exciting day, guys. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Subscribe if you're a new viewer. Make sure you guys like the video and comment what your favorite setup was for the day. And if you guys have any questions, you know where to find us. Right here in the description has all of our info. That's our Instagram or Facebook, the shop info. Let's get into the video, guys. Hell no. Looks cool though, I guess, yeah. Check this out. Alright, got Jonah's truck on the dyno. Are you excited? Are you excited?
Were you happy with the power you made?
Oh yeah, man. I mean, I made 395 right to the wheels. That's great because that's what stock numbers were. As you can see there on the sheets, it's small numbers. Though, so
Yeah, don't look at this. Yeah, guys, so the rev
limiter kicked in because there was too much power for the dyno.
This is 307. Oh, this is 307 or something. Max power.
It said 314 something and then 372.
30.
That's the other one. That's the bad one. It said 314. I thought, no.
Nope. This one says 214.
No.
It's okay. Oh man, look at this Aventador. This thing looks like a fucking spaceship, eh? What do you think, Jonah? Within what? 5 years? Look at the pipes on this thing, dude. V10 or something.
It's a Lamborghini tractor. Get in on that.
Dude, do you know that? Aventador. Dude, this thing looks like the Batmobile, hey?
This thing?
Yeah, this thing right here. But that color is crazy, that lime green or whatever they call it. Probably has some crazy Lambo name to it. See, that's what I'm talking about. Look at this one, Jonah. This how this one has a matching interior. So sick. Moment I've been waiting for, man. This thing looks pretty sweet. I'm not gonna lie. We just finished the rough country lift on this G Patriot. It's got some BFG KO2s on it, fuel salts. Let's take a closer look and go over all the details. And of course, you know, we put all the specs in the bottom of the description. So if you guys just want to know what we had to do, what was involved, and this does not rub. So this is a perfect setup for this Jeep. Let's check it out. These are actually UFO wheels. They look really similar to the fuel salts. This truck's got a brand new 2.5-inch rugged leveling kit in this bad boy. Alright guys, we got another one behind me. I got a Ram 1500. This guy's coming in for new front and rear bumpers and a new grille. So I'm going to give you guys a quick breakdown of what this truck looks like before we do all the work. And then we'll get into it. And then I'm going to show you the Jeep is finished too. Let's check that thing out. There's a quick before. OEM bumper. And we got some tires, some 35s that we're going to throw on there. Stock bumper. Things are going to look sweet with those. Alright guys, we just finished up the bumpers and the grill on this Dodge Ram 1500. Man, that thing looks good, eh? Give you guys a quick run through. Customer supplied his own tires. We did a quick knot and balance run with the front and rear bumpers. This thing is missing the pod lights right now, so we'll get them back in here. We'll get those pod lights once they come in. But yeah, let's take a quick tour of this thing. So you got a winch cutout right there. We got your pods right here. Got two pods right there. You got your little light bar. Plus, we already had some XTs on there. About 35, 12.5 20s. Let's see if we get a good shot of the rear here. Rear bumper looks really good too. Branches are in the way a little bit, but we got pod lights cut out right here and right over there. See, Martin's got his drum logos in there. Let's see if this thing's open. Mavericks, Falcon Wild Peak 18. The smooth flares. Alrighty guys, I got the sun kind of in my eyes right now, but we just finished up this Dodge behind me, Ram 1500. It's got the fender flares on there, the smooth. I believe they're still made by Bushwhacker. We got the Fuel Mavericks, and then we got some Falcons. Let's take a closer look and see what this setup looks like.
Alright guys, so we'll finish up the video in the car. Today was a pretty sweet day. We had a couple cool setups coming in out of the shop. Like I said, here's the plug. Make sure you guys don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Check us out on Facebook, on Instagram. If you guys like the content, of course, comment what your favorite build was for today. Further ado, I'm out of here, guys. Have a great weekend.